If you're on an HOA board, you've probably realized pretty quickly that this isn't just a volunteer role. It's a responsibility that comes with, at times, real pressure. And most boards, regardless of their size or their location, they tend to run into the same core challenges. Today, I want to walk through the 5 most common concerns HOA boards face, and more importantly, how to think about them the right way. Number 1, finances. This is a big one. Boards are responsible for making sure that the association's money is handled properly, but most boards aren't accountants, and that creates a gap. The concern usually comes down to, are our numbers accurate? Are we collecting what we should be collecting? And can we confidently explain this to homeowners? The solution isn't to micromanage, it's to have clear, consistent financial reporting and visibility. If a board can't quickly understand its own financials, that's where the problem starts. Number 2, delinquent accounts. Every community has them. The challenge is balancing 2 things, being fair and consistent while also protecting the financial health of the association. Avoiding collections altogether usually makes things way worse, but being overly aggressive can create tension in the community. The key here is clear, enforced policy that removes emotion from the process. When everyone is treated the same, it protects the board. Number 3, communication. This is where a lot of frustration comes from both sides. Homeowners often feel they're not getting enough information, while the board feels overwhelmed with questions, complaints, and requests. The reality is most issues come from a lack of clarity, not bad intent. Having a central place for communication, whether that's a portal, emails, or consistent updates, goes a long way in reducing confusion and building trust. You'd be surprised at the power of a simple newsletter. Number 4, vendors and spending. Boards are expected to make smart decisions about contracts, maintenance, and projects, often without being experts in those areas. The concern becomes, are we overpaying? Are vendors actually delivering? Are we making the right long-term decisions? This is where structure matters, getting multiple bids, documenting decisions, and keeping everything transparent. It's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent and accountable. And number 5, compliance. Rules, governing documents, state requirements, it's a lot to keep up with. Boards tend to worry about enforcing rules fairly, avoiding legal issues, and making sure that they're doing things by the book. The biggest mistake here is inconsistency. Selective enforcement or unclear processes can create real problems. Strong policies and documentation are what protect the board, not guesswork. At the end of the day, most HOA challenges aren't unique. They're just handled differently. The boards that operate the smoothest aren't the ones doing everything themselves. They're the ones with good systems, clear processes, and the right support in place. If you can get those pieces right, everything else becomes a lot more manageable.